I mean, we're seeing lots of changes in the space right now. A lot of owners taking more direct responsibility on their own wind farms. We're seeing very competitive offerings now from some of the OEMs, and we're seeing renewed presence from some of the ISPs. So I think there's going to be a whole series of trends that go forward in the next few years.
Well, first and foremost, we have to say that we got a 4-year PTC extension, which is what the industry wanted. So it's giving us time to continue and improve our cost of energy improvements. I think this will continue to be a main driver for our growth. In addition to that, I can see more and more social support and also a new corporate entrance to the industry.
I think the growth is going to come as you see it now. Mergers, acquisitions, it's going to come down to manpower, the people to do the job. Companies now, you've seen the Gamesa and the Siemens merger that they just had, companies are changing to survive. And with technology changing, the training, and just really all more wind farms coming on the market, it's definitely got to grow to keep up. Because there's existing farms, the legacy farms, and the brand new ones. So it's going to force people to grow their OEMs and the ISPs to help out and supplement the lack of work there's going to be in the US or the Canadian market, for sure.
Right now, as far as Leeward Energy goes, as a small owner, we're looking at O&M as how do we get better with what we have currently. So we're looking at the improvements on the turbines themselves, looking at efficiencies, running better, running smarter, running longer, looking at peak wind times and how our turbines are affected or effectively running during those times. As far as growth in the industry goes, it's interesting. The vortex generators being applied to blades for more efficiency as the blades cut through the wind, and looking at new construction projects that are coming out with taller turbines and bigger rotor sets. So that's where I see it going right now.
There's definitely going to be a sort of a paradigm shift from the original equipment manufacturers to self-performance for the larger utilities and IPPs in the space. I think we'll see a blend of their intellectual property along with independent service providers taking a role. And the original equipment manufacturers will adjust their service agreements as we enter the post-warranty stage and assets age. There's still going to be a lot of growth in the US, but typical construction that we're seeing is coming from the very large companies signing very big turbine supply agreements with particular manufacturers. So that's going to distort the market slightly as well for a longer term O&M perspective.